Forget everything you thought you knew about motorhomes, because Rolls-Royce has just unveiled something that doesn't just redefine luxury travel. It obliterates it. This isn't an RV. This isn't even a super yacht. This is a $15 million Rolls-Royce motorhome that feels more like a private jet on wheels. 2 floors, a rooftop lounge, a garage for your car, and technology that makes mansions look outdated. Buckle up, because what you're about to see is nothing short of mind-blowing. From the outside, it's pure Rolls-Royce DNA infused with futuristic elegance. The massive body stretches nearly 70 feet, cloaked in pearl white and chrome accents that shimmer under sunlight like jewelry. The Spirit of Ecstasy mascot rises proudly from the sculpted front grille, a grille finished in polished chrome vertical slats that instantly screams prestige. Sleek matrix LED headlights blend seamlessly into the body, while side panels are adorned with retractable solar wings that extend like aircraft panels, powering the entire smart home system on board. And those wheels? 26-inch alloy masterpieces in two-tone silver and obsidian black, engineered for both performance and presence. This isn't a motorhome that hides in a campground. It dominates highways like royalty. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is that this isn't just a vehicle, it's an estate. You're greeted by a marble-clad foyer. Yes, a foyer inside a motorhome, with crystal ambient lighting above and soft-touch carpeting underfoot. Automated sliding glass doors whisper shut behind you, sealing off the outside world in total silence. And yes, there's a staircase, an actual handcrafted walnut and glass staircase that carries you to the second level. No ladders here, only Rolls-Royce sophistication. The living area could rival a penthouse suite in Mayfair. Smart glass walls shift from transparent to opaque with a single swipe, creating privacy on demand. Italian leather couches don't just recline. They use AI sensors to adjust automatically to your posture. In the center, a 75-inch retractable 8K OLED display emerges from the floor, paired with a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system that transforms the space into a private cinema. Ambient starlight LEDs sparkle across the ceiling, customizable in millions of color options. Move forward, and you'll find a kitchen that outshines most apartments. A chef-grade induction range, dual wine fridges, and a robotic dishwasher arm are seamlessly built into the marble countertop. The refrigerator itself is smart. Its transparent glass surface turns into a touchscreen menu, telling you what's inside and even suggesting recipes. The dining area? A crystal chandelier floats above a polished wood table, surrounded by recliners upholstered in Rolls-Royce's signature hand-stitched leather. This is dining, not camping. The master bedroom sits like a crown jewel at the rear of the first floor. Here, a king-size floating bed offers massage and temperature control. The panoramic glass ceiling above it turns into a starlight projector, letting you fall asleep under any constellation in the world. To the side, there's a walk-in closet, finished with cedar wood and gold accents. The ensuite bathroom redefines extravagance, heated marble floors, rainfall shower, backlit smart mirrors, and yes, a fully automated smart toilet. Guests aren't forgotten either. A private Murphy bed suite and hidden bunk spaces for staff or kids are tucked discreetly away. Take the staircase up, and things get even crazier. The second floor is a glass-walled rooftop lounge with 360 degrees views. There's a cinema-grade projector, a fully stocked mini bar, and zero-gravity recliners. But the showstopper? A retractable jacuzzi that rises from the deck. Imagine soaking under the stars, cocktail in hand, watching Netflix in 8K on a screen that unfolds from the ceiling. Rolls-Royce didn't just build a motorhome, they built a 2-story moving resort. For those who mix work with leisure, there's a private office with a holographic desk, 5G satellite internet, and smart glass panels that double as virtual displays. Next door, you'll find a spa-style bathroom with gold fixtures, a steam shower, and an aromatherapy system. Because even billionaires need to relax while traveling. At the back, a hydraulic garage lowers to reveal a compact Rolls-Royce coupe, designed to match the motorhome's two-tone paint scheme. And if that's not enough, there's also a drone bay built into the roof for aerial surveillance or filming your adventures. The entire RV is voice-controlled by Spirit, Rolls-Royce's AI assistant, which manages climate, lighting, security, and even the jacuzzi. Underneath all this luxury, the motorhome packs serious muscle. Powered by a V12 hybrid drivetrain producing over 700 horsepower, it glides effortlessly despite its size. Active suspension adjusts to any terrain, while adaptive cruise and autopilot modes allow stress-free long-distance travel. With solar panel integration and lithium battery banks, it's also fully off-grid capable for weeks at a time. Range: over 1,000 miles on a single cycle, blending silence with sheer power. And now the question everyone's been waiting for: how much? The Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at $15 million, but with bespoke customization options, exotic wood trims, rare gemstone accents, personalized layouts, the price can climb even higher. This isn't for everyone. It's for the tech billionaire who wants to road trip across Europe without compromise, for the celebrity who wants a hotel that follows them everywhere, for families who believe freedom and five-star luxury belong in the same sentence. So yes, this is bigger than most houses, but it moves with grace, dominance, and that unmistakable Rolls-Royce aura. So what do you think? Would you trade your mansion for a palace on wheels? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more insane machines that push the limits of imagination. This is New Auto Review signing off. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your engines roaring.